Hi beauties, today I have Avegan Beauty plant-based balanced toner vitamin spray and the plant-based Reboot Serum. So I'm going to show you how these work and give you my thoughts. So first with the balanced toner, let's read what it's all about. It's organic aloe vera, which restores, apple cider vinegar, which balances the pH. Awesome, so it's good for all skin types, and you just spray it, a couple sprays, and I can automatically smell the apple cider vinegar. It smells really cool. But yeah, it feels really refreshing on my skin, and I'm really excited to continue using this and see how my skin responds. Very soothing. I think I'm gonna keep this one in the fridge. The Reboot Serum comes with a dropper, and it says to apply a thin layer 1 to 3 times daily. So it's exfoliating if you leave it on and let it dry, and it's good for sensitive to all skin types, so that's really good. So I'm going to show you first the texture of this. So it comes in a little dropper there, and you can see it's kind of thick. See that? It's kind of thick there. Okay, so I'm going to apply some to the back of my hand to give you a picture of how that looks. So a couple of drops there. So it's not super runny, and it's not super thick either, and it's not greasy at all. I can feel a little grittiness to it, which is great for the exfoliation. So they said to just apply it and let it dry, which is great. It helps to exfoliate. So even though I'm doing this on the back of my hand, I truly believe that if you have any leftover product when you're applying to your face, definitely apply after, you know, your neck and décolleté. If you have some left over, do the backs of your hands, because aging on the backs of the hands is a real thing that a lot of people ignore, but you shouldn't be ignoring the backs of your hands. So I really don't smell anything. Maybe a very small amount of like a hint of citrus, but yeah, so far I'm loving the way that feels, and on my facial skin actually feels pretty nice. It doesn't burn or tingle or do anything unusual for me, but definitely this duo of plant-based Avegan Beauty skincare is something I recommend. So try it out for yourself. Click the link below to get yours, okay?